storm was located near Preston, or 15 miles northeast of Pratt, and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour.
Holy crap, that's right toward us.
Include Cunningham, Zeta, Willowdale,
Oh
and
my God.
Take cover now. A
We're right in
tornado
the
was
path of
spotted southeast of Preston. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle,
God,
or outdoors,
shut
move
that
to the
door.
closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are difficult to see from at night.
That's that cloud right over there.
Cunningham's right in its path. Oh, wait a minute. What the hell?
Where's your lighter, Kelly?
I'm recording this. I do, because I'm sitting